Danny. Okay. Enough. You're making a big mess, Danny. Look at this. It's everywhere. You have sweet potatoes on your legs. Oh my gosh. This is not... Okay, no. No more, Danny. I'm afraid to give you sweet potatoes. Danny, are you done? Where are you going? Okay, well, if you can swallow your food properly, there you go. Okay, no. I'm sorry. Please stop, Danny. It's not funny. I'm being serious now. Okay, no, don't do it. Okay, come on, let's see. No. Danny. Oh, what happened? Okay.